Hey, so I'm gonna show you how to do like black bars and stuff for your edits. So I already have my bar set up right here. Don't worry about this. In fact, I will just make them invisible so we can start all over. So what you want to do is just press Ctrl Y, and then for your solid, make it a black solid. I'm just going over this really quick right now. Make sure you split it by pressing Ctrl Shift D. You can just split it. By the way, sorry if I'm going a little bit fast. I just don't want to waste your time, but you can always slow the video down if you want to. So when you have this, go to your effects and presets, type in CC Jaws or Jaws, you will find it anyways. Then put it on your solid. Make the completion 90, that's the value you want to use the most. Then make your height 0% and you will get these. That's pretty easy, right? Now for your colored bars, the color, if you're stuck with the color you want to choose, I would suggest choose like the color of your character's hair, like this. Split it again. Then just copy the CC Jaws from your black solid and place it on your orange or your colored solid. To do like these flashes and stuff, it's pretty easy. You just want to do like, go one frame behind the first one. Press T to get your opacity, move this here, make this like 0, and at the last frame make this also a 0, and that's basically what you have right now. Yeah, this is a good flash, but I prefer to do this. I'll just move the 100% opacity somewhere right here. Maybe a little bit more. Then press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and select these. So you get like a longer flash, if you want to at least. If you don't want to, don't do it. And just to make the flash a little bit more longer, I will move the last frame a bit here. By the way, I'm assuming that you already have some knowledge of After Effects, so that's why I won't explain like everything and shit. But like, yeah, this is something you can do with your bars. What you also can do is like, wait, I will show it right here. You can also like copy and paste the orange bar, and you can also like mask them. So go to your proportional grid and you can mask like one of the bars to like half. I know it's not really perfect, but I'm trying to save time. And see you have your mask right there. If you press here, you will make the orange layer invisible. But you see you have your mask right there. What you can do is just copy this mask, paste it on this, press M, make this inverted. You see? So yeah, that's something you can do if you want to at least. So that covers most of the things that you can do with your black bars. By the way, I know this isn't really a good tutorial, but if you have any suggestions on what I should do for my next one, just let me know. But thanks for watching and stuff.